Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke cing cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kom nala dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong ko jongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ke degree course, ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
USB ke East Khasi Hills ubah Vivek Siem uloong baki pulit kidang ap ya ka forensic report bat ka post-mortem report halor ka Jingïap jong Trophimos khong maulo kabala ja hagasnong Pynter kasnong kabadan sharum jong ka pen usla. USB uloong ba anda la yo pediang yakni ki atli ki report ki pulit kin sapet bat le ya kabadan kam. Ban ladalap bakadei ke Jingïap penyam kini kun hayeng bishar ban wengno ya ka jamin ka baki VDP ka Pynter kila yo jamin lepa na ka yeng bishar shwa ban syakam. Kumman spinkin mau baka nyotri uyayong ajak pun riu ki VDP ka snong Pynter kila set ya ubat Trophimos khong maulo hayeng dorbar jong ka snong da ka ba keno baula pun kulmar snong kala sa priang ru ka video ka bala keno bala bom la ti diu hapo yeng dorbar haka step ka babut kata haka pratrik bar ulayap no latep yu haga kendai tri uyayong ajak pun riu henrei hadien ka jingmudui ejahar jong ukpa jong u ki pulit kila hiar Pynter haga khat pratri ujembang ajak pun riu ban khlong biang ya ka met jong u bat ban le ya ka postmortem ha ulum jingtem lani ka spot postmortem bat menta kidang ap ya ka kai phot.
Well, after the exhumation, that postmortem was done on the spot, but we have not got a postmortem report, and we will be able to get a clear picture only after we get the postmortem report and the other forensic reports. At this juncture, I cannot say anything until we get the postmortem report. We will be able to say whether it was due to assault by the VDP members or whether it was caused by other reasons. No, like I said earlier, we will challenge the anticipatory bail after we get the postmortem report.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finshet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang syaka biodiesel tinamar kata lembaka ruko kakot kakya par kamaryang ru kan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.